Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. How are you today, guys? How
Hi
are you,
guys,
Nicole?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you
Excellent.
very much. So, today, another set of questions, une nouvelle série de questions pour Nicole. On essaye de se rapprocher le plus possible d'une conversation naturelle, classique, normale, authentique, avec des questions qui portent vraiment sur la vie quotidienne pour améliorer votre vocabulaire, votre grammaire, votre syntaxe, qui est l'ordre des mots, vous le savez maintenant, chers amis, et bien sûr votre compréhension orale. Et tout ça, vous allez pouvoir l'intégrer facilement avec plein de petites expressions ou des mots, des expressions toutes faites ou des mots dont vous avez besoin pour vous exprimer, mais vraiment spontanément dans la vie de tous les jours, quel que soit le thème, en anglais. Donc, nous allons commencer. Nicole, if you could read the list of questions, but before I forget, si vous ne l'avez pas fait, abonnez-vous, chers amis. En tout cas, c'est chaudement recommandé à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube en cliquant sur le bouton rouge en bas à droite. Et vous pouvez aussi récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre le pied à l'étrier pour apprendre ou revoir l'anglais, en tout cas votre apprentissage, en cliquant sur le i en haut à droite. Il arrive directement dans votre boîte email, chers amis. Il est parfaitement gratuit. Alors, la liste de questions. Est-ce que tu pourrais la lire pour nous, Nicole, please?
Of course. Could you please name in English a vegetable you really appreciate? Could you please name in English a fruit you really appreciate? Could you please name in English a French dish you enjoy? Could you please name in English your preferred means of transportation? Could you please name in English something ugly? Could you please name in English something scary? Could you please name in English something which is bad for the environment? And could you please name in English a type of music you really love?
Okay, thank you very much. Now,
You're welcome.
let's use the whiteboard to answer the first question, the first question, which is a vegetable you really appreciate?
I really appreciate cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Donc, le chou-fleur. So I had no idea of the answer. Could you please name in English a fruit you really appreciate? Just one thing. A vegetable, c'est pas a vegetable, d'accord? C'est a vegetable.
Yeah.
Faites bien attention. Le deuxième E, il saute. Vegetable. Il faut bien mettre l'accent tonique sur la première syllabe. Vegetable. Okay. Now, fruit you really appreciate.
I really appreciate apples.
Apples. So
green apples. Green
apples. That was an easy one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Could you please name in English a French dish you enjoy?
It was actually the first dish I had with you. Foie gras.
Okay. So now everyone is gonna yell at you, saying that you don't love animals.
I know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know what it's made of.
Ok. Donc, ceci est un cours d'anglais et non pas un débat politique. Donc, merci de ne pas détruire la vidéo dans les commentaires. Ok. Donc, je mets des petites parenthèses. Which is a French specialty. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. I liked it before I knew anything about it. So.
Okay. A French specialty, une spécialité française. Your preferred means of transportation. Donc, ton moyen de transport préféré. Et attention, c'est a means of transportation. C'est pas un mean of transportation, OK? Parce que mean, c'est méchant. Ça, c'est man. Ça, c'est mean, OK? Qui veut dire méchant. Et to mean. To mean, c'est signifier, d'accord? Et means, c'est un moyen, OK? So,
Exactly. Yeah.
man, l'homme. To mean, signifier, OK? Et mean, c'est toujours un i long, d'accord? Mean, c'est méchant et means, c'est un moyen. OK, guys? Faites bien attention. Est-ce que tu peux répéter ces 4 mots, Nicole, s'il te plaît? If you could repeat those 4 words.
Oh, man, mean, to mean, a means.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
Of course.
So what is your preferred means of transportation?
A car, of course.
You are so American, my friend.
Yes. Every place is too far away.
Yeah, sure. So could you please name something ugly?
The first, I have 2, okay?
Yeah. Go ahead.
One is a cockroach. So ugly.
Cockroach. I have no idea how to say that in French. Oh my God, I forgot. I must say, I know exactly what it is, but give me one sec. Cockroach. Ah yeah, une blatte ou un cafard en fait. C'est le cafard.
Yeah. Le cafard.
Cafard. Yeah, you do not pronounce the D at the end. And yes, they are ugly and they are like super old, like the first animals on Earth.
And they're dirty. So the second thing, oh yeah, they're dirty. They're very dirty.
Okay.
Second thing is, oh, go ahead.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
The second thing is violence is ugly.
Violence. I could not agree more. That's a good one.
Those 2 things, very ugly.
Okay. So a cockroach, le cafard, vous n'êtes pas obligé de le noter, hein, mais c'était bien pour la spontanéité et malheureusement, ça pourrait vous servir. OK? Donc c'est le cafard, mais c'est aussi la blatte. Voilà, chers amis, vous avez appris le mot blatte aujourd'hui en anglais. Comme quoi, I Speak Spoken, tous les chemins d'I Speak Spoken mènent à l'anglais, y compris à l'apprentissage du mot cafard et blatte. So, could you please name something scary? Donc, qui fait peur?
Something that really scares me, besides heights, is a great white shark. That's also very American.
Le grand requin blanc.
Yes. Great white shark. Yeah. I love them, but they're scary.
Yeah, but like everyone is afraid of sharks.
Yes.
I mean, as far as I know, almost everyone. If you are like sane in the brain, you know. Sane, you know. Okay, in your head.
I mean, yeah, I guess there are scarier things.
Yeah. So could you please name something which is bad for the environment?
Burning plastic is bad for the environment.
Burning plastic is bad for the environment. Absolutely. Yeah. That's kind of obvious, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So, brûler du plastique, mais je pense que vous n'avez pas besoin de moi pour la traduction. Could you please name a type of music you really love?
I really love heavy metal.
Ah. Okay. Any band in particular?
Qu'est-ce que t'as appris?
Oh God, I really love. Oh my God, heavy metal.
Yeah.
So, any band in particular that you're thinking of right now?
Yeah, you know Metallica, of course. I love
Yeah.
Metallica. They're my favorite. Yeah.
So, an easy one. Okay.
Yeah.
Metallica. Okay, good. Thank you very much, Nicole. Very interesting. So, j'espère que vous avez apprécié, chers amis. Si vous avez des questions, des commentaires, n'hésitez surtout pas. On est là pour vous répondre et généralement, je reviens vers vous dans la journée. Si vous avez apprécié cette vidéo, vous pouvez mettre aussi un pouce bleu. Il est apprécié juste ici en bas à droite et vous avez le bouton rouge pour vous abonner à cette fabulous, awesome, amazing, extraordinary YouTube channel, guys. Let's talk to each other tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Let's learn English tomorrow again and the day after tomorrow. So the day after tomorrow, c'est le jour d'après, littéralement, mais c'est après-demain, bien évidemment. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you very much.
It was fun. Thanks, guys.
I agree. Bye-bye. Talk to you tomorrow, guys.
Bye, guys.